Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Previous class we calculate derivative of algebraic function and exponential function, and today we discuss how we find the derivative of trigonometric function. First, derivative of sin x. We know trigonometric functions are sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x and cosec x. So first, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, and derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x, and derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. Derivative of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x, and derivative of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Here 3 are minus. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec x, and derivative of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Question: find the derivative of the following functions. Y is equal to sin 3x. We read derivative of sin x by dx is equal to cos x. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Here derivative of sin x with respect to x. So here derivative of sin 3x, so dy by dx, it is derivative of sin 3x by dx. Here x 3x, so derivative of sin x with respect to d3x into derivative of 3x by dx, that is derivative of sin 3x is equal to cos 3x. Here 3 is constant, so into 3 into derivative of dx, derivative of x with respect to x, that is equal to 1 into 1, so derivative of sin 3x is equal to 3 cos 3x. Here derivative y is equal to cos 3x. Here derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. So derivative of dy by dx is equal to derivative of cot 3x. Here derivative of cot 3x by d3x into d3x by dx, that is equal to cot 3x, derivative of cot 3x is equal to minus cosec square 3x into 3, and derivative of x with respect to x, that is equal to 1, so minus 3 cosec square 3x. Similarly, y is equal to tan qx. We can write tan x to the power q. So dy by dx is equal to, here derivative of tan x to the power q, that is, it's the formula of x to the power n. So it is the form of x to the power n. So derivative of x to the power n with respect to x, we know that is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. So first, the derivative of tan x power q by d tan x into d tan x by dx, it is the form of x to the power n. So derivative of x to the power n is equal to this. So derivative of tan x power q is equal to 3 tan n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, into derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x, that is equal to 3 tan square x into sec square x. This is the answer of tan qx. Another question, y is equal to cos 5x. Derivative of cos 5x divided by dx of cos 5x is equal to derivative of cos 5x by d 5x into d 5x by dx is equal to, we know cos derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Here x, here 5x, so derivative of cos 5x is equal to minus sin 5x into 5. Here another example, y is equal to sin x to the power 5. Here tan x to the power 3. Here sin x, here x to the power 5, here whole to the power 3. So derivative of sin x to the power 5 is equal to d by dx of sin x to the power 5, that is equal to d by sin x to the power 5. So x to the power 5 derivative of sin x to the power 5 by d x to the power 5 into derivative of x to the power 5 by dx, that is equal to derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, that is cos x to the power 5 into, it is the formula of x to the power n, so n into x to the power n minus 1, here 5 into x to the power 4. Here also you can solve by this method. Here y is equal to ln x, that is derivative of ln x is equal to 1 by x is the formula. So example, y is equal to ln x square. Here y is equal to ln x, so formula derivative of ln x is equal to 1 by x. Here dy by dx of ln x square by dx is equal to derivative of ln x square by dx square. Here x, so derivative of ln x square with respect to x square into derivative of x square by dx, that is equal to 1 by x square into 2x. Derivative of x square is equal to 2x, that is equal to 2 by x. Here derivative of ln x to the power here y is equal to ln root over of x, here ln square, you can solve by this dy by dx of ln root over of x by dx, that is equal to derivative of ln root over of x by d root over of x into d root over x by dx, that is equal to 1 by root over of x, and derivative of x to the power half you can calculate and putting this is the answer. Y is equal to, next question, y is equal to ln x to the power 5. We calculate dy by dx, that is equal to d ln x to the power 5 by, here it is in the form x to the power n, so n into x to the power n minus 1 whole power 5, so d ln x into d ln x by dx. Derivative of x to the power n form, so 5 ln x 5 minus 1 into 1 by x. Derivative of ln x is equal to 1 by x, that is equal to 5 by x ln x to the power 4. Another form, y is equal to log x, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 by x ln a. here y is equal to log a x. So derivative of dy by dx is equal to 1 by x ln the constant a.